circuit, and like in this particular box is all the even numbered stacks. There's 15 boxes out there, and Warren has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14, which the 14 is the finale. And that one over there has got the odd numbers in it. And like right now, this is number, that right there is firebox. See the yellow boxes right here at the bottom of those? You just see it under the edge of the plastic right here. Those, all the wires are hooked into these flat boxes. I'll show you. Well, what's happening right here is this is testing all of our circuits. As long as we got a green light, it's good to go. And